What's happening, guys? Ryan here with Texsource. Today we're doing a product demo of a web adhesive spray. It's 2022. Lots of products are hard to get nowadays, especially aluminum cans, especially mist adhesives, webs, flash, depending on the type of year. Right now it's really hard to get web adhesive. Today I'm demoing a Platinum Web Spray 160. Now under the Platinum series we have a Platinum 100, which is web spray, and a Platinum 200, which is a mist adhesive. But this is Platinum 160 web adhesive, which is good for different applications, not just specific to screen print. It's an alternative for the guys out there who are desperately in need of web adhesive. So here's a very clean palette. I'm going to show you the difference between my palette tapes right now. You can see it's got a little lint on it. So I want to show you guys and demonstrate this Web 160 on an actual clean palette. If you notice, some web adhesive has a little spout on the end. This one does not, so it just comes as a straight spout. And then you can see as we spray it on top of the palette, it has its true web type spray. So as you can see, it's got a really nice, good web stream. Similar to the Platinum 100, similar to Texsource web and other web adhesives that we sell, but it's a very, very good web adhesive for you. What you want to do on a fresh palette is spray the web adhesive down, let it dry a little bit before you throw a sweatshirt on there, because if the wet adhesive is on there, it'll stick straight to the shirt and you won't get a good bond. So let the first spray on the palette to dry on there. And then once you start to gather a little more lint on the palette like this, you're good to spray every other time afterwards and load your hoodies on. Now we'll demonstrate hoodies on the palette so you can get a good feel of how many rounds you can go with this type of web adhesive. So there you have it. We came back and tested out the Web 160 Platinum Spray Adhesive. Superior hold down. About every 2 to 3 hoodies we put on, we'd have to spray again, but that's typical when it comes to web adhesive, especially when you're printing a full back on a hoodie. You really want a good superior hold down on that pallet to make sure the hoodie doesn't move at all. Great alternative. Like I said in the beginning of the video, kind of hard to get other spray adhesives at the moment. This is a good alternative for anybody needing web adhesive.